Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy here, Glow, back with another video, and today we're gonna be actually hosting our bot, as you guys saw in the title of the video. And before we start, I'm just gonna say, if we can get 10 likes on today's video, I will be uploading 4 times next week. And this is just because you guys failed last time. It was 10 comments, and you guys got, I think, 8, I'm sure. But yeah. So anyways, with that out of the way, let's get straight into how to host a bot. So what we're gonna do is we have our code here, and yeah, so it's our code, and it works. Make sure your code works, or else you're gonna have problems hosting your bot. But first thing we want to do is we're gonna be hosting it off of Repel. So we're gonna go into our Chrome here and open up repel.it. And if you don't have an account, just create one, but click here on the create and search up node.js, right? So right here, node, and you can put in whatever you want. So master IT bot right there. And now look, here's the part where there are 2 things. Most repels will be public if you haven't had the paid plan. I went to a hackathon and I got a free paid plan, but I'll just go for public and show you I'll just do what you guys would do. So yeah, click create repel and it'll do all of this stuff, booting repel, everything like that, and it'll create an index.js file for you. So then what we want to do is, I was going ahead, go into your index and just copy this, right? And go into your Chrome again and paste this in. Now, the first part of your thing is basically done. Okay, so now let's get into our second part. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is, now that we have it, we have to import another module. Now, in order to import this module, it's actually called keep alive. We're just gonna do const keep alive, and this was actually going to keep our bot alive and make it free 24 hours. And then do ./server.js, and now we have to code this server.js, obviously, because there's no server. So what you have to do is just create server.js. Now my notes here, I have an extra folder. It's called server.js. I'm gonna link it down below in as a paste bin or something. Copy that and just paste that in here. And basically what this does is it makes a server that our bot will run off of. Alright, now that we have this, we have to import. We don't have to import anything really, but we have to make another file called .env. And now this is where we're gonna store our bot token, because our bot token, it can be accessible by random people. If they just find our repel, oh boom, here's our bot token, they can control the whole bot and everything. So we store it in a .env file, because they actually, people, if you're just viewing the bot, you can't see your .env file. They won't even see it. So we just open up a .env and token, and then equals, right, just like this, and paste your bot token in. So I'm just gonna take it from here, copy it, in no quotations, just Control exit and paste it in. So it should look something like this, and if it does, that's proper. Now down here, we just go into here and we write in process.env, and then we get bot token, right? Just type that in, and that's basically gonna, that's gonna grab our bot token from this right here, and from our env file. Now we can actually make our commands, because as you guys can see, it accesses the command, but we don't have that folder. So just make a commands folder, and this is gonna be the kind of rough part, which is a bit annoying to do, because you're just gonna have to be copy and pasting a lot. But anyways, let's go into our VS Code and go. Okay, so let's go into our VS Code like this, and just open up your first command here, and just copy it and paste, and go into our Google Chrome, make a new folder, whatever it's called. So mine, I just copied bin.js main.js, so create a new main.js and paste it in. Now we're gonna have to do this for every single one, so I'm gonna be back when I do it. Okay guys, so now I'm back. You guys wouldn't have seen anything. That was like that wasn't that much. It was like a minute. Just copied and pasted all of our commands right now. If you have more, just copy and paste all the ones that you have. It's fine if it's not in order, but yeah. Now that we have that, it's all basically done, so we could click run. And now, since it's Node, right, if you actually click Node and not JavaScript, click Node in the beginning, it's gonna install all of our packages right here. And as you guys can see, it says Macer has logged in. That means if I were to end our process here, I ended that, so make sure you end that. No other instances are running of the code. You can go here and run and ping. Sorry, and ping. And as you guys can see, it still works. And if everything is correct, this should have actually, oh, actually, sorry, I forgot one thing. If we hop on in here, you have to add one last function at the bottom, and that's just called keep alive this, and this just starts up the server. Okay, so we can stop the bot and then run. And now see here, it says access status online, server is ready, and Macer has logged in. Now we have a server up and running, and now all of our commands will still be running. So if we do ban, they all work. It's just that now it's hooked up to a server. And now this comes to our last part of how to keep it. So now this will just make a server and keep it running. But the thing is, with Repel, to save resources, it will close the server if it's been inactive for 5 minutes, right? So if this doesn't have anybody going on or anything, it will close it. In order to counter that, there's actually a site called Uptime Robot. Just go onto it and you should log in, right? I'm already logged in. Just click sign up or log in. But I can go to my dashboard. Now, as you got, oh yeah, here. It's fine. That's my spam email. If you want to spam me, go ahead. And see these are all my bots actually. And it tells you if it's up, how much it's up, how much if it's been down. So I was working on the bot a bit and it's been down for 5 hours. This was actually at night because I was working on it and stuff happened. Not good, but then I got it up and fixed in the morning. So it tells you everything. If you look at the stats, it will even tell you the server ping and stuff like that. Right here it tells you my pings and stuff, when the bot went down and stuff. Everything tells you, and then it's ready. But now we just want to click add new monitor and click HTTPS. And if you set up the server like I did, you should get right here, and it gives you your own personal URL. If you go into this, right, open it up, it's just gonna say the same thing here. But you wanna paste this where it says URL or IP, just like so. And then friendly name should be anything you want. So Macer YT bot. That's what I kept it as. You can change it. And see here, don't keep anything here. Keep it as low as you can, okay? Because the lower, the better. So the lower it lets you without paying is 5 minutes, which is perfect, actually. And then, what do you call it? Again, you can spam this, I really don't care. But just click create monitor, it's fine. No other contact selected, and then close. And now, right now, it's off because it hasn't pinged it yet, ever, and it has no data. But soon, right? Soon enough, this will actually, just, how do I say this? This will be up and running, and, with no problem. So I'll keep this on, right? I'll mute my audio and stuff, but I'll keep this on and I'll time lapse it, and you guys can see it's just gonna stay on and it's not gonna go down. It's the same thing I do with my vibe bot, and that's how it's on forever. Okay, so guys, as you guys can see, it doesn't go offline, and this is how you can host your bot completely for free. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to leave a like down below. If I hit 10 likes, I'll be uploading 4 times next week, so be sure to hit a like. And anyways, if you made it to the end, thanks for watching, and see ya.